So the first exercise we're going to be doing is the deadlift to overhead press. We're going to be doing 3 sets, and for each set I'm going to be doing 10 reps. So we'll get right into that.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, we're gonna be doing 30-second rests. For this one, it's really important to get your glutes engaged, especially when you're doing the pulling motion like this, and really the entire time. And also, you want to keep your core super engaged, especially when you're doing like the curl and the press up, because otherwise you'll put a lot of strain on your back, which isn't good for your back. So this will overall help with strengthening. Yeah. Show you a different angle.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
I like to really grip the ground with my feet and toes while I'm doing this, really to get that base really strong. You can almost imagine that you have like roots or claws that are gripping onto the ground. And you can even grip with your legs too by pushing them together like this, working kind of those internal muscles, the groin muscles and the hamstrings and quads, so you can really keep that base strong. All right, go into the last set.
On we'll go, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, there's a last set of that exercise. I didn't pick the best place to do this workout because the ground's kind of uneven. You might want to pick a more even place with a flat ground so that you get everything symmetrical, but I've been doing it kind of like both sides, so it's sloping uphill, but I did on this side and that side, so it kind of evens out, but generally you want a better environment. Yeah. Okay, so this next exercise we're going to do is bench rows, or just bent over rows. I actually like to do them without the bench. I prefer that. You use your front leg for stabilization, and your back leg for also stabilization and balance. And then what you do is you tighten your glutes, so you grab the cinder block like this. We'll do 8 reps per set, and we'll do 3 sets. Grab it like this, and you really want to engage that glute so that it's not on your back. So you have your core engaged and that one glute on the side. We'll do 8 of these.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So yeah, really make sure to engage that glute and your core when you're doing those exercises. And when you're bent over like this, you want to make sure that your back is straight so that your head's not bent down or bent up. It's directly in line with your spine. So that's really important.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This one really gets your hamstrings and your calves. It kind of works a lot of different parts of your leg all at the same time. It's exhausting too. Yeah, last set.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Sometimes I like to switch the orientation of the cinder block just so that I'm not doing the same motion every time, or the same lifting from the same place every time.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
All these exercises are really good for grip training because you kind of have to like grip the side of the cinder block, and it really works your fingers. So yeah, this next exercise is going to be tricep extensions, and I'll show you in a little bit how to do that. We're going to be doing 6 reps of each of these, and we'll be doing 3 sets. So yeah, I'll get right into that. For those ones, it's really important to engage your core. I feel it especially in the top muscles of my core right here, because I'm like compensating with the weight on the back, so I'm like crunching it forward kind of to make sure it's balanced and so that it keeps straight and so I don't fall over on my back. So the core is kind of where you get that stabilization from.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Sometimes when I'm doing these ones especially, I like to do them like in front of a window or look in a mirror while I'm doing them, just to make sure that I'm having the cinder block lined up so it's not like going one way or the other. So that's cool, and you can also do it without a mirror, and you kind of have to just like feel for it for yourself, but both practices are good.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Cool. So that's the workout. I encourage you to stretch a little bit as much as you desire after this. I tend to find that my hamstrings are the things that are really tight after doing this workout. I think it's mostly because of the deadlift. So that's something I will be working on stretching more. But yeah, you can do a cool down, and that's the end of the workout. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
That concludes the workout. Hope you have found this video rewarding and inspiring. If you liked the video, make sure to smash the like. Let me know in the comments what you think. Subscribe for more creative fitness, and I will see you in the next video. This has been Cinder Block Workout 1 with Sammy Lenz at Invitation to Play. Peace.